Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to convert a Word file into a PDF. If you have a Word document and want to save it as a PDF, this guide will help you accomplish that easily. For this process, we'll use an online tool called I Love PDF. To get started, open any web browser and search for I Love PDF. Once you're on the website, look for the Word to PDF option on the homepage and click on it. Next, upload the Word file you want to convert by clicking the Select Word Files button. Choose your file and let it upload. Once the file is ready, click the Convert to PDF button. The tool will process your file and convert it into a PDF. After the conversion is complete, you'll see a Download PDF button. Click on it to download your converted file. Open the file to verify that all the content has been accurately converted. And that's it. You now know how to convert a Word file into a PDF using I Love PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching and have a great day.